Okay, so this is our densiometer. Okay, it's a means by which we estimate the canopy closure that we're seeing. And the reason why I've got all these rude words on this is because this device is very useful. It's really good for measuring or estimating canopy closure in a pretty much an objective sort of way. But because it's so small and so nondescript, it's really easy to lose. So I've lost about 5 of these in my career already. I lend it to people and they put it in a field bag, goes into a cupboard, it just doesn't come back. So I put rude messages on all of my densiometers now. Okay, you really needed to know that, I guess not. So what is a densiometer? Basically it's a concave mirror with a bubble level. Okay, the idea of the concept of it is that we will hold it level, okay, and we will take a look at the lines or the squares which are etched in the surface of that mirror, and we will count a number of points within each of those squares. We can imagine each one of those squares has 4 points in it in each quarter of those squares, and we'll count the number of points which show bare sky. Okay, so that works out to be about how many? 100? No, I can't remember exactly how many squares there are there. There's quite a few, and you multiply that by 4. So if you have say 4 dots which are covered by open sky, so that's 4 divided by, all right, no, this is multiplied by 1.04, and that will give you a percentage estimate of the amount of canopy that you have. All right, so you will do that in 4 directions because it's going to be slightly different in each direction. So the first one, you line up the bubble there, make sure that it's flat. I will observe, and it's fairly easy to count the number of squares or points which are on open sky, because a canopy rainforest has a very closed canopy. So there may be 1 point there. Okay, so I'll say 1 and I'll hold that in my mind, and Deanna would write on her data form 0.1 west, because we're looking west, is 1. Then we will go to north now. North is 0. Okay, so north is 0. East now. East is 2. Okay, east is 2. And then south, ooh, there's an opening over by the south. South is 1, 2, 3, 4. South is 4. Okay, and we will take that data and we will take an average of those 4 readings, and that will be the canopy closure at this point. Generally in a tropical rainforest, the canopy closure is between 98 and 100%. Okay, it is very much closed canopy. All right, okay.